Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard-like jelly. First, gather your ingredients: milk, sugar, eggs, and a gelling agent such as gelatin or agar-agar. Accurate measurements are crucial for the perfect texture. Have your molds ready, whether they are individual ramekins or a larger dish. This preparation ensures a smooth process from start to finish, leading to a delightful dessert. Next, let's combine our ingredients carefully. Whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until they become pale and thick. Meanwhile, gently warm your milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Do not let it boil. Then, slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. This tempering step is vital to prevent the eggs from cooking too quickly, ensuring a smooth custard base. Now, it's time to introduce the gelling agent. Dissolve your gelatin or agar-agar according to package directions, usually in a small amount of hot water. Stir this dissolved agent thoroughly into your warm custard base until fully incorporated. Once combined, carefully pour the mixture into your prepared molds. Refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours or until the jelly is completely set and firm. Finally, for serving, gently unmold your custard-like jelly onto individual plates. A quick dip in warm water can help release it easily. Garnish with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an elegant touch. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavorings, such as a half teaspoon of vanilla extract or a quarter cup of strong coffee, to personalize your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.